The first brand we're going to talk about is going to be Riobel. Riobel is going to be a brand that originates in Canada. It's actually the biggest plumbing brand in Canada, and it is developed by a third-generation master plumber, so you really know the quality and product is great for consumers and the plumber. Our hand shower slide bar is one of the best in the industry. You have this little lever right here where you can push and pull down, and essentially you are using no pressure to adjust your slide bar. This is great for anybody with hand issues or just when you're in the shower and you don't want to be cranking that hand shower hose the whole time. I think a lot of what Riobel does great is you do have very clean lines that cater to that European look where you can bring that here into this California market. And if you want to experience Riobel in person, please stop by a Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in either Costa Mesa, Torrance, Studio City, or Calabasas.